Ishimi from Bombay, and today I will show you how to use a menstrual cup. Sanitize your hands and cup using warm water and soap. Clean the cup by placing it in boiling water for around 7 minutes. If you buy a menstrual cup sterilizer combo, then you can keep the cup in the sterilizer container and microwave at high temperature for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also pour boiling water into the sterilizer container, place the cup and soak it for 5 minutes. There are several ways to fold a cup to make insertion easy, but here are the 3 of the easiest techniques. The first is a punch down fold. Push the rim of the cup towards the bottom and pinch. The second is a C fold. Use your Bombae cup to fold it so that it forms a C or a U shape. Third is the 7 fold. For a 7 fold, take the top of the cup and bring it towards the opposite bottom to make a 7 shape. Find a comfortable position and either squat down, put one foot on the toilet, sit on the toilet, or simply stand up. Soon you will find out what works best for you. Place the folded cup in your vaginal opening. Simply withdraw your finger when the full cup is within and allow it to pop open. Feel around the base of the cup to ensure it is unfurled. With your finger, feel for any dents or folds on the base. It should be circular or oval. Pull the ring a little once it's in place. A vacuum has been produced and the cup has been successfully put if you feel resistance. Use warm water and soap for sanitizing your hands. Put one finger in and push down on the side of the cup to release the vacuum seal. Slowly pinch the bottom of the cup and pull it out. Empty the contents of the cup, rinse it and use it again. When you're done with your periods, place it back in the burlap pouch for your next period game.